a couch potato.
Let me start by saying sorry. Some days I take your time for granted.
Hi everyone, it's Adrianna again. I need a better intro. I say that with every video that I make, but today I'm just gonna be putting on some makeup because I just feel like crap, and even though we can't go anywhere, I just still want to feel good. Okay, so I already put on some primer and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using this Benefit brow pencil in the shade 4. And like in the front, I do here like strokes. It's not turning out how I wanted to because my face is breaking out from this product that I was using. So I have like little bumps all in my eyebrows, on my forehead. The rest went down, but I just cannot. I do my eyebrows before my foundation because I feel like the foundation, it just doesn't glide on well enough for me. Like there's a barrier. And I do go back into my eyebrows after I do my foundation because sometimes it does mess up. Now I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 5W2. It is a little darker than my skin tone, but I personally like my foundation to be a little darker because when I put on, when I highlight, it's like really, it's not really light, but it brings everything back together. You see? I don't know if you can tell because this camera is making me look lighter. Oh, it's not that bad. Wait, yes it is. It is pretty dark, but it'll come together, and it's kind of red. I didn't remember this foundation being red. Maybe it's oxidizing because I had it for a while. Oh, maybe I need to throw this out and get a new one. When I take pictures and if these bumps show, I'm face tuning them out because what the heck? Can you see that? Ew! Okay, now I'm going in with this Sephora Bright Future concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to put a lot of this concealer on to balance out that red foundation. I usually let this concealer sit for a while, but I'm going in with another concealer, so I'm just really trying to blend this in with the foundation. I try not to put too much on my forehead because I don't want it to get in my hairline. Now I'm using my Fenty concealer in 350, and this is a bit too bright for me sometimes, but I don't put that much. Well, this is more than what I usually do, and this concealer is really thick. I kind of want to go back in with more, but I'll just go back with more if I need to. I just want my face to go back to normal. I want everything to go back to normal. But my face is just, I just cannot. And I don't have sensitive skin. It's just like some products just are just way too strong. I mean, I'm surprised I'm not freaking out as much as I would be, but I think it's because I'm stuck in the house anyways, and it's nothing to be self-conscious about because nobody can see me. Now I'm gonna use some Laura Mercier. This powder is really good. I usually pick and choose what I want to spend like money on, and I used to be that person that, like the primer, I wouldn't splurge on primers. I don't splurge on lip products, but this powder, I don't mind spending that $35 on it. It's not that bad if you think about it. And plus, I don't wear makeup every day, so this stuff lasts me a long time. This is the first time I had put on makeup in like a month. Cause that was, yeah, almost a month. Because that was the last time I worked at my job. And I'm a server, so I like to make sure I look good because I'm in everybody's face. So that was the last time I wore makeup. I don't like, well, I love wearing makeup, I just don't like taking it off. So that's why I don't wear it any other day. Just the process of taking it off, it's just a mess. And plus my other job, I work 7:45 in the morning and I never can wake up that early to do my makeup. So I don't wear makeup every day. But if I had the option to, and if I had the time to do it, I totally would. Now I'm using this Sephora Micro Smooth in the color Deep. Okay, now I'm gonna spray my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, try not to get my hair wet. Okay. I feel like now I don't spend that much time on my makeup because I just want it to be done. Like, I'm just so over like the makeup thing. The whole makeup process, I just like how it makes me look. I don't like putting it on anymore. These days now I'm just trying to get it on and get out the house. This is the L'Oreal True Match powder in the color C8 Cocoa. Oh, there's a mirror inside. Hold on. Oh wow. Ooh, this little ass mirror. I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna cut my under my contour. This is why I don't do it, because I don't know how to. It never looks the same when I do it. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Ah! Ew! Oh, that's so ugly. That's why you stick to what you do and not what other people do. I just saw like a lot of makeup gurus doing this, and maybe I just need to blend this shit out. Okay, it don't look that bad now. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. I'm trying to see if I want to do a red lip or a nude. Let me fix my baby ears. What do I do now? I guess I can go back in and fix my eyebrows now. I want to do more videos just talking, but I don't have what? I don't have the motivation. Yeah, this eyebrow is actually looking cute. I just said this eyebrow gives me problems, but this one looking better than this one. Hold up. All right, okay, let me leave them alone. All right, that's good enough. Oh my god, they're so dark now. Oh my god. Oh my god, and oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I was doing something and I'm just fucking them up more. Okay, it's fine. What the hell? Okay, just go to the next step, girl. Go to the next step. Yeah, I'm gonna put some blush on. This is the Juvia's Place but blush kit in Saharan Blush Volume 2. And I think I want to go with light pink. I'm gonna go in with Lena. That's the true color. I'm gonna go in with this light pink. I put a lot of blush on and I like focus it under my eye. Like, I just like that look now. I think I'm gonna turn some of these bumps into moles because it's just, they're just messing up the vibe right now. Actually, I'm gonna use my eyeliner because this is not coming up. There's not a bump right here, but I like putting my mole right there because it's cute. I'm not gonna put any up there because I don't want it to look crazy. And I don't want that there anymore, so I'm gonna just take that off. Yeah, I'm gonna put on eyeliner. I haven't worn eyeliner in so long, I don't know if I can do it still. Why is somebody riding a motorcycle? Or is that a dirt bike? Oh, I thought, oh, it's fine, they can ride their motorcycle. I thought it was a dirt bike because they be riding dirt bikes down my street. I live in the ghetto. Okay, that's not bad. Eyeliner was the first thing that I learned how to do. And when I was younger, I wasn't allowed to wear foundation because my mom said that she didn't want me thinking I look better with makeup. And I appreciate her for that. They do not look anything alike. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that bad. Only when I do like this, that's when it looks bad. But when it's regular, it don't look, when my eyes are regular, it doesn't look bad. Let me put on some lip products. This lip liner is NYX shade Brown. Then I'm going in with MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. Then I'm gonna put some matte lipstick in the shade Matte Darling by Revolution. And I'm gonna put some lip gloss on because I'm not feeling this matte look. I have this lip gloss is from Revolution in the shade Sheer Brilliant. No. Sheer Hustle. Lastly, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I don't wear highlight anymore. I'm just not into it. Mascara is the worst makeup product to me because taking this stuff off is literally a pain in the ass. And plus my eyelashes are pretty small, so I mean it does do a little something, but I would rather not wear it. Okay, this cute. It would be better if my skin wasn't acting up, but it's okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. And well, I can't see you. Hopefully you will see me soon. Yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, Cuomo, New York's governor, he said, or was it Trump? Somebody said that they're extending this quarantine, self-quarantine, until April 30th. It's April 1st. What am I gonna do for a month in the house? I wanna go back to work. I feel like a bum. A couch potato. That's a better word. But okay, I'm done. I'm gonna leave. I gotta do homework and I have a Zoom meeting with my class at 4 o'clock. So thank you for watching and I hope you see me soon. Okay, bye.